It's the most wonderful time of the year. It's Christmas time! I've got one of my best friends with me today, Miss Natalie. She goes by Nat, but I call her Natalie because it's proper. We're going to make the cutest wreath in all of existence. Originally made by my other best friend, Martha Stewart. Martha's first and then Nat. We are gonna start by flocking our wreath. You can get your own pre-flocked wreath, but we wanted to have a lot of fun and flock our own. What the flock? I was waiting all day to say that. And you're gonna want some gloves for the wreath examination. Because it's gonna get a little messy. I know, I'm so inappropriate, but it's Christmas, anything goes. I mean, Santa, you sit on his lap, that's so creepy, right? So you're gonna take a cup of detergent and then you're just gonna add a couple tablespoons of warm water and stir it until it gets to the consistency that you like. Now I will let you know, it dries really fast, so you have to move kind of fast. So just watch us work, man. We could be Santa's little elves. We've got our holiday cups, we're drinking our Christmas mules, and we are waiting for our flocked wreaths to dry, and we're gonna paint our houses. Okay, I met you at a fun event where we both were modeling boots. We're boot models.
And you were the only other person like eating the food, and that's when I was like, we could be friends.
Well, I'm glad.
Remember, no one was eating the food.
Yeah, and I was like, oh.
Why is no one eating the food?
It was good too.
I'm married. We have 3 kids. We just had our daughter. She's 10 weeks old. Our surprise baby, which we are obsessed with. We're all obsessed with.
She's like the most
I should have brought her. We should have just had her here.
No. Next time, we'll do another DIY and she can be like in your, what's that thing called? A cocoon?
The sling, the baby carrier. And then I have a 7-year-old Vernon and a 9-year-old Elsie, and they actually helped paint these.
That's amazing.
So this is a fun craft, I feel like.
It is, for the whole family.
For the whole family, because Vernon made this one, and even if they paint ugly, you can just add glitter and snow and cover it up, and it's totally
He did
fine.
amazing. He should be very proud.
I'm very proud. I homeschool them.
That's awesome.
So
How do you manage everything? You're like...
I don't. I just say I homeschool them and
whatever.
I do things. I really just sleep all day.
Right.
And eat bonbons. Well, the thing is, I incorporate them in everything. So even like this, like I knew I had this coming up, but with a newborn and life being crazy, and my husband travels quite a bit, this was one of those things I'm like, well, they can be part of this because this wreath is going to be hung every year, and I want it to be special, not just to me, like, oh, this is the new thing I want to make, but something that they can be proud of too.
Tell us about your home, because
we've been remodeling for almost 2 years, and so this is our first Christmas that one will have electricity, and the kids.
Oh, that's right. Yeah. When I met you, you didn't have electricity.
Oh and my gosh. The kids, we were still sharing a room last year in this home. Remember when it was being remodeled, and so the kids are so.
It was
excited.
a really big room, but you did still share it with 4 people.
Yeah. But they are. Elsie had just said, my daughter, I'm so excited to come down the stairs to see what Santa brought this year in our new home. And I'm like, well, we were here last Christmas. And I was like, but wait, it wasn't
the same.
Home. Yeah, it wasn't our home.
We're done with our painting of the houses. And now we're gonna put glitter and snow on the houses. I have not done this part, so walk us through.
Okay, so once it's painted, what you do is you take, what is this, Snow-Tex?
Snow-Tex.
Super easy, you can get it at any craft store. And you just kind of blot it wherever you want on the house. So
with a paintbrush?
With the paintbrush.
Okay.
And if you want it clumpier, if you want to cover the whole roof, you can add it to your trees, to the chimney, what we did here, and then it's really, really easy. Like I said, my 7-year-old did this one.
I guess if a 7-year-old can do it, I better be able to.
Yeah.
How precious are these? And we're gonna glitter them up. So how do we do that?
Very simple.
Mod, you're the glitter queen.
Mod Podge.
Mod Podge is life. So you want to mod it first and then sprinkle it?
You Mod Podge and then you sprinkle your glitter on top. And I do a clear glitter.
Okay.
Because you already have color in the houses, and if you get a colored glitter,
it's too much.
It's too much.
It's gaudy. We're now going to mock up our wreath where Nat wants all of her houses and her wreaths. I'm gonna do mine later because it's a lot at once. Basically, once she puts them where she likes them, we're just going to hot glue them into place on the tree branches. It stays forever. I promise you it will not come off. And then afterwards, we're going to add the trees and snow, and then it will be done. Oh, this is already so awesome! Now that Nat has her houses and her trees placed how she wants, we're going to take the house and we're gonna find a good spot on it to glue to the wreath. So we're either gonna glue on the bottom or on the back. Really, it's wherever you prefer. We are done placing and gluing our trees. It looks amazing. I'm so jealous. Your wreath is probably the best one ever. Martha Stewart will be jealous of this, I promise you. Hey Martha, repost this wreath. The houses are glued, everything's done, except the snow. Oh, look how pretty you are. We're gonna take just regular size, actually these are jumbo size cotton balls. We are gonna take our jumbo size cotton balls and we're just gonna slowly and gently pull them apart. You're just gonna go very slowly and kind of get to the size or the shape that you want, whether it's long or skinny, and you can put some together. We're about 90% done, maybe even 95, but we wanted to hang it up just so we could see how it laid and see if there was anything we wanted to add or change. I hope you guys loved watching us make this amazing wreath, and really this one is your brainchild. These are your colors you picked, you painted the houses. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll have all the details linked below of where we got our supplies, where you can find them, all that good stuff. Anything else, Nat? I've had so much fun with you tonight.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Look at this light. Ooh, are we twins?
No.